Hello, here is a short video on the quality of the images and videos recorded by the E88 drone, another cheap drone that boasts to have a 4K image and video quality. Unfortunately, most of the cheap drones are adding this description saying 4K image quality, HD image quality. What does 4K mean? 4K means the size of the image. 4K means 4000 pixels. And if an image is approaching the width of 4000 pixels, it would be called to have 4K image quality. So what the manufacturers of these drones do is that they do create large images, but large image doesn't mean good quality. Quality of the image would also depend on the quality of the camera, of the sensor inside of it, and some other factors. For really cheap drones, it's not possible to expect that the image would have a good quality. So here is the image that was taken by the E88 drone, and as you can see, it's pretty pixelated. The colors are not bright, the picture is not clear. Let's check the characteristics of the image and see what size it has. So here you can see that the width of the image is approaching 4000 pixels. So formally, the manufacturer has created a 4K image, but the quality is really low. And here is the video file recorded by the drone. As you can see, it has a resolution of 1920 per 1080, which would be an HD standard. But as you will see now, the quality of the video is really low as well.